Let's solve one previous question of spanning tree. This question was asked in GATE CS 2024 set 1, question number 24. The number of spanning tree in a complete graph of 4 vertices labeled A, B, C, D is dash. So it is asking how many spanning tree possible on a complete graph labeled as A, B, C, D. And as this is a complete graph, so there are 4 vertices but there will be 6 edges. There is a formula for this. Number of spanning tree possible in a complete graph having n vertices equals to n power n minus 2. Here n equals to 4. So it will be 4 power 4 minus 2. It's 4 power 2, that's 16. So 16 spanning tree possible on a complete graph having 4 vertices. If there are 2 vertices, like this is A, B, then how many spanning tree possible? For 2 vertices, just 1 spanning tree possible. Okay, so 2 power 0 equals to 1. Suppose there are 3 vertices, then how many spanning tree possible? For 3 vertices, 3 spanning tree possible. 3 power 1 equals to 3. For 5 vertices, 5 power 3. It's 125 spanning tree possible. So the formula for finding number of spanning tree possible in a complete graph is n power n minus 2. It's not asking about minimum spanning tree. It is just asking about spanning tree. Okay. In case of minimum spanning tree, weight sum should be minimum. But in case of spanning tree, randomly we can choose any edge. But it's not create any cycle and it should be connected. So here answer is 16. I already discussed spanning tree. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.